For service maintenance we need engine oil, oil filter, new O-ring for the pan drain plug, and an air filter. Unscrew the filler plug so that the oil drains out of the engine faster. If you change the oil in the cold season, the engine must be warmed up before changing. Okay, now find the drain plug. To unscrew it, you need a Torx 40. Preparing containers for oil. While the oil is draining, change the rubber ring. Do it if you don't want oil leak. To unscrew the filter, you need a 24mm socket. The easiest way to remove the filter housing is with a long wrench. Afterwards, we work with a regular ratchet. Take the older filter out of the housing and clean the housing with brake cleaner and install a new filter. Also, don't forget to replace the rubber ring of the filter housing with a new one. According to the instructions, the oil filter housing is tightened with a force of 25 Newton meters, but it can also be screwed simple by hand. If you don't have a torque wrench, the main thing is not to use excessive force so as not to break the plastic case. Remove all oil spot with brake cleaner. Tighten the drain plug to a torque of 14 Newton meters. Also remove all oil stands with brake cleaner. Fill in new oil, check the level, tighten the filler plug. And that's all. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching.